Do you want to stop certain people from commenting on your posts in Instagram? Instagram has a hidden feature that lets you block comments from specific users without blocking their entire account. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down until you find the section called How Others Can Interact with You. From there, tap on Comments. Now look at the top of the screen for the option called Block Comments From. Tap on it. A search bar will appear where you can type the username of the person you want to block from commenting. Enter their name, then select the correct account from the results list. Next to their profile, tap the Block button. Once you do this, that person will no longer be able to leave all visible comments on your posts. Their previous comments may also disappear from your view, while they can still see your content normally without knowing they were restricted from commenting. This is a great way to reduce spam, avoid unwanted interactions, and keep your comments section cleaner and more positive without fully blocking someone on Instagram. And if you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same section later and tap Unblock next to their name to allow comments again.